In this video, we'll learn the different types of reports that can be generated in HP UFT. So if you're using a previous version of HP UFT, that's QTP, you will find out a report named as Run Results Viewer Report, that is the name. If you're using newer version of HP UFT, you will get a report in the HTML format. So let us see that. For example, I have recorded HP MyFlight sample application and I've just recorded username, password, OK button, and I've closed the application. So these are the scripts which are generated. You can see on this place. But what I've done is I've parameterized the data. Okay, if you see here, that's an agent name. I've set as DT global sheet, data table global sheet. For the password, DT global sheet, and that's the data given here, agent name and password. I have kept the valid agent name and valid password in all the fields. I want to execute almost for 4 iterations, right? So when I execute it for the first time, what will happen? I'll just click on this run and click on this run. Now, if you observe, the scripts are getting executed one by one in the data table. Okay, so it will work for 4 iterations. When the execution is over, you can see the result is generated in HTML format. So that's a HTML format which is given here. So here it says as reports 1, result 1, and that's a detail given about the execution that says execution time and the duration and tool name. If you want to get more details, you can just click on this show more and you can see the details about your system. For example, what is your CPU, what is your operating system, what is your host name, username, and so on. So these are some details which you can at this place. Also, along with that, if you want details about each and every step, which iteration and what thing happened, so you can see at this pane that is nothing but test flow plane. So what I'll do is I'll first close this window so I can get maximum space. Yeah. So you can see here I've got this test flow, and every step you can see the details. For every step, every iteration, every step you can see the details here. Okay. So this is only for the newer version of HP UFT. Okay. So if you click on any step, let's say if you click on this password, details about this step will be given on this step details. All the data will be given here. If you click on this agent name, details about the agent name will be given here, right? So that's a new format, HTML format. Now, if you are using HP QTP, you will have something known as Run Results Viewer Report. That is one type of report. Where do you get it? So for that, if you want that report, that is better and easy one. So you can go to this tools, options, and in the options you can see here, I'll go to this general tab, run sessions, and report format. So basically there are 2 formats. One is HTML format, which we have seen right now. Second one is Run Results Viewer format. I've selected that radio button and I can just click on OK, right? After I click on OK, I can see the result only when I execute it. So I'll execute again. I'll click on run. So now it is executing one by one all the iterations, and finally when the iterations are done, so you can see this is the report format. This is the previous version. If you're using, you'll get this kind of format. Okay, and if you see, there is 4 iterations. They have given us iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, and details about the entire script is given. This is the details about the test name, results name, when it started, when it ended, the total time required for this execution was 0.07 seconds, and so on. So these are details. Along with that, it will give you a result in the graphical format. It says how many failed, how many passed, and so on. I'll just show you this one. Yeah. So you can see as 0 failed, 0 warning, 0 passed, and same one you will get it. So this is for current run, and these are for the iterations, and details are given here. Along with that, if you want to see what was the data for each iteration, so you can just click on this data tab, okay, and you can just scroll it up. You can see the data like this. So it says there were 4 iterations, and what was the data we have taken that was John in all the columns and HP in all the data. Everything is captured here. Along with that, if you see, there's a captured data. Right now there's no captured data. Along with that, there's one thing as log tracking, that's nothing given here. Screen recorder will give you the movie. It will record a movie of execution. So that can be recorded and saved there. So that can also be seen here. And system monitor is again some more thing in that. But now suppose we are interested to understand in step number 2 of iteration 2, what is the details? So you can expand this step number 2 of iteration 2 expanded. In that I'll keep on expanding. And if I want step number 2, let's say I want to see the password. So once I click on this password, on the right hand side you can see I'll get in the result details. These are the details for the step number 2. So it says password.set secure, details is HP, and the result is done. So it has neither passed, neither failed, but it has been done here. right? So this way you can keep on expanding and you can see the details about every step. If you want to expand all at one time, you can click on this button. You see this expand all. Once you click on that button, you can see everything is expanded and you can see details of everything. If you want to collapse all, you can just click on the next button next to that. You can just click on that and everything will be collapsed. And if you want to expand, you can see this way all the expanded format, right? So I hope you're able to understand the different types of result format which you can see. One is the HTML format in the newer version and second one is run results viewer format in the older version. So if you're using newer version, you can use both of them at one time. Right now, that's all for this video.